Hey guys, welcome to hot Florida. We're in Stuart and today I want to show you this 2025 Sea Ray 260 SLX with outboard, 300 Mercury on the back. Perfect boat to take you to the sandbar and cool off and give you some relief from this heat. Let's jump on and check it out. All right, we're here at the swim platform. Pretty nice size for a 26 footer. You have your 300 Mercury, as we said before. It's the V8 version, 300 horsepower. It gets this boat over 50 miles an hour, cruises nicely between 30 and 36 miles per hour. Nice sea deck, excellent feel on your feet. You have a nice shower to rinse off the salt as you're coming back on the boat. Pretty expensive sand pad, which is actually convertible. The back raises a little bit. You can make it a seat. Storage underneath. You go over here, you see the charging ports, cup holders, stereo controller. Right next to it, you have the gate that can protect little children or dogs coming in and out of on the platform if you don't want them to. Very nice side step. When you are going on a high dock, you can expand that, and you have two steps to a dock right next to you. Storage right underneath there. Going forward, you have beautiful wraparound seating, and you have a table that goes right at the corner. It's a triangular table, and then you have the battery charger right underneath it, so you're always fresh, fully charged on your batteries, leaving your dock. This hardtop is a great feature on the boat. You have the electrically actuated tower, which basically collapses and remains level until you bring it down, and helps you either store the boat more efficiently and or travel underneath a low obstacle like a bridge or anything. This part also expands further out to give you a little bit more sunshade over the sun pad. I like the fact that it left space between the seating area and the backrests. That allows you for practical storage like throwing a handbag or a cell phone, but also it makes it a lot easier to lift up the storage compartments so they don't, interfere with the backrest. I love these captain chairs. They turn around so they become part of the social environment on the boat. Bolsters, obviously, if you wanted to stand or sit higher, and then move forward and back. Your engine controls are right there. Automatic trim is included on this package. Trims the motor up and down automatically. You have your trim tabs over there, your basic switching, your stereo, and then twin screen SIM rads, multifunction screens that you can have your GPS, depth finder, whatever actually you want to shown on the screen, including engine information. Cup holders, 3 cup holders, induction charger for your phone right over there. Going over the other side, you have basically the head right in here. We're still commissioning the boat, so you see the filler cushions that goes to the bow, and then the vacuum flush toilet, sink right across, storage, everything you will need in here. Nice glove compartment right on top, so you can keep your keys, your phone in here out of the elements. The windshield can close, and you have the air dam and storage over to the side. And then very nice twin lounge over here with armrests, storage underneath, cup holders, more cup holders, and then you have your windlass storage up front with a remote control. And actually you have freshwater wash #1 to rinse your anchor, get rid of the salt, sand, whatever comes up with it, and also refresh your guests that are sitting on the bow. Handrails for safety on both sides, and of course the boat has the tonneau and cockpit cover for the back. This pretty much concludes our short presentation on this beautiful Sea Ray 260 SLX with outboard. I'm Bill Mascus, and love to see you at MarineMax in Stuart. If you prefer a call, 203-808-5088. It will bring you in contact with me anytime.